In this part, I'll show you that how to find the Wi-Fi password using the command prompt of all connected Wi-Fi networks. So first of all, open the command prompt and type the nets wlan show profile, and it will show you the all saved profile that you have ever connected to. Now let's export the passwords into the plain text. So run the command nets space wlan space export space profile space folder is equal to, and provide folder path here. So here I'm giving the D drive, and I created the Wi-Fi passwords, so I'm providing this. So all the passwords will be stored there, and then space key is equal to clear and hit enter. So as you can see, all profile has been exported into the given folder. So let's open that folder. Yeah, so it is XML file. So right click on it and open that and find out the key material. Yeah, so here my password is home1234. So the same way you can find out and export the password. And let me show you the another trick. So right click on the network connection and settings, click on the network and sharing center, on the Wi-Fi, on the wireless properties, in the security, and just tick show characters. It will show you the password. So these two methods will help you to find out the passwords of the wireless network. Thank you.